Welcome to MGM. I'm Jeannie.
I'm Angel.
I'm Joyce.
And I'm Melody. Hello everyone. Thank you for coming to the conference. We are here today to present a new process of the corporate social responsibility of our MGM. Before the question segment, allows my colleagues to show you our achievement in the different areas in the recent years. Today we will focus on 5 areas that shows our ideas and aims. The first being the community. The mission is giving back to the Macau community through community programs, which focus on youth, senior citizens, and disabled, as well as arts and cultural. The vision is to make Macau become a better place by donating time, talents, skills, and resources. For the volunteerism, the volunteer team of approaching about 500 people has completed up to 6,400 hours community service and 95 community events, such as spring cleaning for the senior citizens of Macau, organizing food drives, and tree planting. For the charity, apart from volunteerism, MGM financially supports 67 community organizations with more 32 million, including 24 charitable organizations, 3 universities, and 40 associations. For the art and cultural, MGM aims to further promote arts and cultures, which in turn will help develop Macau into a world leisure and tourism center. Until now, MGM already had over 20 unique arts and cultural events, such as the Red Sandalwood exhibitions, Saudade art exhibitions, and so on.
And we do not just focus on the humanistic aspect, but also the environmental aspect. MGM, as a luxury casino resort, we are aware of the environmental impacts through the consumption of natural resources and waste generation. Our approach is defined by the ethos of continual improvement, and we strive to find innovation to minimize the impacts. For waste management, we follow the 4R: reduce, reuse, recycle, and recovery. We got a good result by following the 4R. In a year, the waste sent to the incinerator reduced by 7%.
Whoa!
For energy performance, because of the energy-saving initiatives in technical upgrades to the equipment and operational control strategies, since 2008, we have reduced the total energy consumption by 28%. Oh. For water performance, we continued to refine our water recycling program and upgrade our fixtures and fittings. Since 2012, the water consumption reduced by 6%. About green building, we incorporate green building techniques into our design, such as the use of recycling construction materials and high standards for indoor environmental quality, which includes light and air quality. The sustainability in MGM has also been used in some other areas, for example, the marketplace. We carry out sustainable procurement. During the procurement process, we look for the products and services that cause minimal environmental damage. We choose products that are more energy and water efficient, or products that include less toxin to reduce health effects, or that use less packaging. The purchasing department has taken part in third-party training on how to identify sustainable alternatives. We work with the suppliers and provide high-quality, safety, and environmental products to the guests. We also support local small and medium-sized enterprise, SMEs. Since 2007, MGM has worked consistently with local businesses to build long-term partnerships and provide support and advice to help smaller businesses. For now, 80% of the suppliers are with the local business entity. They also create the committee and the platform to develop and provide advice to the local SMEs.
Create a better tomorrow today is MGM's sustainability vision, which means that the decisions we make today will affect the society and the environment of tomorrow. To ensure the long-term success of our business, we believe that it is crucial for us to look after the people that mean the most to us. Those people include our employers, customers, the communities, our shareholders, and the business partners. It is also equally important to take care of the earth and its precious natural resource, which they depend on for life itself. Therefore, we make business decisions that are not only economically sustainable but also environmentally and socially beneficial.
From those 3 points, I hope everyone already noticed that sustainability is one of the most essential aspects in our social responsibilities. We believe this is our strength, to focus on one point, improve it and apply it into different areas. Then allow sustainability to become one of our themes that will make the guests and society pay more attention to these ideas.
Besides this, we also have another important aspect that we would like to inform everyone on, and that is the workforce area. Fighting against forced labor and trafficking are one of the main focus of FGM. We support the protection of human rights. We are committed to conduct their business operations accordingly, which includes standing against forced labor and trafficking. We seek to identify, assess, and manage human rights impacts in terms of employees and internal training. Regarding employees, we respect the human rights of our employees and follow the International Labor Organization's Declaration on Fundamental Principles and Rights at Work, including non-discrimination, prohibition of child and forced labor, and civil and political rights. Regarding internal training, every year MGM provides updated human trafficking awareness training to our staff. We aim to increase awareness among our staff and the public. In 2016, we participated in the Business Summit to transmit the messages of human trafficking. Furthermore, we organized a private sector forum with community organizations to find a way to solve human trafficking problems. All above is what we want to report this time. Thank you for listening.
And now we have arranged the question segment. Does anyone here have questions?
Excuse me, I have a question.
Please.
We are associated with lots of companies and communities. So how can you balance the importance between them? Do we spend too much resource such as money and labor on the CSR? Is it really a good thing or an invisible weakness?
Thank you for the question. I have to say your question is just the task we need to face now. Our department and perhaps the entire company is working on and trying to find a way that can benefit everyone. I cannot give you an exact answer now, but I can assure you that in the next few months we will find the solution and inform the public as soon as possible. Thank you very much. Does anybody else have questions?
No, it's okay.
No.
I think it's fine.
Okay, it seems that we have reached the end of the conference. We would once again like to thank everyone for attending the meeting as well as your interest in us and the continued support. Thank you.